Hey everybody,
Hey.
Babs and Curry here. We're doing another unboxing.
It never ends.
It doesn't end here at Babs. This is like 30 pounds of beads. That's a lot of beads. The poor FedEx guy was just looking forlorn when
He didn't think I could handle it.
He doesn't know the Babs are Rooney.
I can always handle my beads. All right, are you guys ready?
Let's see what's coming on here.
This is so packed, they're pouring out.
All right. Oh, that's right. These cutter here puts them in bags, pouches. Oh, I see.
Is that all of them?
No,
Nope, there's more. Oh no, that's our goodie bag. Okay.
Yeah, he sent us
Tea. It's usually
no.
tea.
This is crystal, 2mm crystal that he sent us. Ooh, we got a thank you bag. Look at that, thank you.
That's what has the tea in it.
Some people appreciate our business. Oh, even better. Look at that. I love these.
The bubble.
Yeah, if you order from us, you might get one of these in your packages. It's just a bubble pack.
He gets small pleasures.
Yes. So I got to get them where I can get them sometimes. All right. Let's cut them apart.
Okay, here we go. Oh, even the drawstring. No saving any.
All right. What do we got? Oh, this is 10mm smoky quartz. That's a lot of 10mm smoky quartz. Boy, it's no wonder why there's two hanks of them. We got a hank here and a hank here.
You want this
10mm smoky quartz. That's natural smoky quartz. All right.
You're gonna adjust the camera now?
Yeah, we'll pan down a little bit. We're gonna pan you guys down. Be careful. I'm making sure I don't hurt any of you as I'm panning it down. Is everybody safe from me panning you down? Okay.
Okay.
I want to make sure everybody's safe.
Jokes?
Safe. Okay. All right. What do we got there?
Okay.
Oh, I think we got some tiger eye.
Oh yeah, the red tiger.
Red tiger eye. Oh, this is purple tiger eye. This is tiger eye for a different color. It's purple tiger eye. Let me go move you all down a little bit. All right, you all move down. I didn't harm anybody moving you down that way either, did I? Okay. That's purple tiger eye. Maybe magenta tiger eye. No, it's not purple, it's magenta. Right?
Magenta is red, darling.
Well, this is. Well, let's see what the other colors are. All right, Curry is color. For those of you that don't know, I am colorblind. I have green and blue color blindness, but normally I could differentiate colors. I have no idea what color that is. Okay. This is a nice combo of purple, pink, green.
Yeah, it looks like a fall combo to me.
Yeah, it's mixed. It's a very pretty mixed tiger eye. Of course, we'll have beauty shots shortly.
Is this rhodonite?
Yeah, we got a lot of rhodonite.
There you go.
With matrix. All right, there we go. You can just open these up. You don't need to cut them open. Oh, they tied it in a knot? Okay, we were out of 8mm rhodonite. We've got 8mm rhodonite.
We got it in 10 and 6. It looks like
we got 10 and 6 and 8 and
there's the green tiger.
Green tiger eye.
This is the 6mm.
Rhodonite. I think we even got 4mm rhodonite. Oh, I like this size. It's stuck. It's stuck.
What's
all right, I got it. They put rubber bands around them this time. We're going to have to de-rubber band them.
Okay.
That looks like 10mm. Yeah, 10 millimeter, my favorite size. My favorite size, 10 millimeter. It's got some beautiful matrix in this rhodonite. Beautiful matrix.
Now, this looks like purple and blue.
Yeah, well, the one hank is purple blue and the other is purple.
See, now that's purple.
Right.
That's blue.
Right.
That's red.
This is actually purple and blue in the same strands. And this, why do they put these twisty ties on here where I can't do anything with them? All right, there we go.
So there's blue.
There's blue, and there's
purple.
And there's purple.
And that's your red. That would be
red.
like cranberry red.
Yeah, I think they call it magenta.
Or raspberry
This
red.
actually has blue. This purple also has blue in it.
Yeah, all purple does.
Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else?
Nope, that's it. That's
There's
all
no
of it.
4 millimeter.
No 4 millimeter rhodonite.
No 4 millimeter rhodonite. Okay.
No, sir.
All right.
Now, do you want to see the crystal that they sent? Oh, it's tiny little stuff.
Yeah, 2 millimeter. Holy smokes.
It's pretty. Sweet.
Yeah.
Boy, I could see a bridal gown maker going nuts over that.
I think it's like 200 strands,
Really?
I think.
I could see a bride. We get dressmakers coming in here looking for that kind of inventory.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, we got black also?
Yeah, black as well.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Some nice precision in this.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Anything? There's nothing else. We're
Nope,
done.
that'll do it.
Okay. Well,
guys.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see what happens to my 4 millimeter rhodonite. Maybe I didn't order it, but there's always that. Subscribe if you can. We'd appreciate it. And you guys have a great day until the next video.